for a 10-minute presentation. I can guarantee you to show you how we can be able to achieve self-sufficiency in local production of hardware, both in the military and in the civil. So in Nigeria, we have a lot of capacity, and this is what is driving my passion. So I've been mentoring a lot of people for over the years, and I've been driving this thing by my own effort. So what I just want is the opportunity. Just trust me and try me and see what can be done. Just try and see. I'll show you. Yes, I did this, and the other ones. Yes, sir. I want to show you. This one, it gets caught. You can tie this to a tree. You can see the other one with surveillance system here. It's going to show you. So you can see this is the V-hole. It's designed to stop light and head from both sides of the vehicle. So if you open inside, you see the surveillance equipment and the communication equipment. All these things. So these are done by young Nigerians. I'm 34 years old. I'm one of the oldest in the company. A lot of us just come to and professional in the field. And these are the guys graduates from engineering from different capacities. Allow. So these are just even some of the technicians, and you can see all these guys. So we are taking them from the Patika. Patika is where you have all these auto mechanics repairs for shops. From different parts. Some driving. So this boy can strip this engine down and fix it. He did not go to university, but he has so much experience. Just like the other one. Look at all these boys. You can see that. So we have 450 workers. I can guarantee you. So you can see our factory. We have a new complex that we're building now. All these things are done by ourselves. So please give us the opportunity to be able to do it.